and so I knocked in his teeth. Well, his buddies didn't take too kindly to that, and they start closing in on me. So there I was, with back against the wall, with 4 men, big as furbolgs. They weren't twice as ugly, looking to do in old Seamus. But I won't fretting none. Nay, I cracked me knuckles and punched.
Seamus, you've been talking for the past 3 hours without pause. I can't take any more of your stories. Please, can we continue the rest of our journey to Shadowkeep in silence?
Aye, Devlin, if that's what you want. This reminds me of this one time.
Lava. Why is it always lava?
I think they got rules on these sorts of things. Though I do remember once, I seen a castle with a moat full of acid and—
Seamus, no stories.
I shouldn't have had that second boar's leg. Oh well, time to do or die. What's that Hi lad, are we going in or what?
Ready to add another story to your collection?
Aye, time to do or die. Ah!